Vice President Kamala Harris is continuing her media blitz today with interviews on The View and The Howard Stern Show. Former President Trump's campaign is denying reports that he's had up to 7 private phone calls with Russian President Vladimir Putin since he left office. ABC's Perry Russum is in Washington.
Vice President Kamala Harris proposing changes to Medicare, saying if she wins in November, she plans to allow Medicare to cover in-home health care.
There are so many people in our country who are right in the middle. They're taking care of their kids and they're taking care of their aging parents. And it's just almost impossible to do it all, especially if they work.
Harris on a media marathon on The View this afternoon, one of 3 interviews airing today.
Would you have done something differently than President Biden during the past 4 years?
There is not a thing that comes to mind in terms of, and I've been a part of most of the decisions that have had impact.
Harris later changing her answer.
You asked me what's the difference between Joe Biden and me. I'm going to have a Republican in my cabinet because I don't feel burdened by letting pride get in the way of a good idea.
Today, the Trump campaign denying reports in a new book by Bob Woodward that Trump has had as many as 7 private phone calls with Russian President Vladimir Putin since he left office. The Trump campaign calling Woodward's book Made Up Stories. New polling averages from 538 show Harris up nearly 3 percentage points nationally. Looking at the battleground states, Harris leads in 4 of the 7. Trump leads in the South and Southwest. Both campaigns are focusing on the battleground states. Trump is in Pennsylvania tomorrow. He has 2 stops there. Vice President Kamala Harris travels to Nevada for a town hall on Thursday. Perry Russum, ABC News, Washington.